Here I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device. In case if you set yourself PIN, password, pattern or any other screen lock method, and unfortunately you forget your key to this screen. So what you have to do in this kind of situation when you can't even unlock your phone, you just have to turn it off firstly. Then you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a few seconds. When you're in this kind of menu, here you can use volume up key to navigate through the menu and volume down key to select options, and you have to select the first option, recovery mode. Then, when you entered recovery mode, here you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the fifth option, wipe data factory reset, then confirm it by selecting yes. After a few seconds, message data wipe complete appears, and then you can select the first option, reboot system now, and after that your device will be restarted in a few. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.